Since the dawn of modern astronomy, we've lived with a staggering truth. The universe is expanding. Every second, space itself stretches silently, relentlessly, carrying distant galaxies away at unimaginable speeds. One day, trillions of years from now, the night sky will fade. Galaxy by galaxy, the cosmos will slip beyond the cosmic horizon until the Milky Way drifts alone in a cold, dark expanse. But look closer, and you'll find a rebellion. Not every galaxy is fleeing. One giant is doing the unthinkable. It's coming straight for us. You've heard that everything in the universe is moving away. On the largest scales, that's true. Driven by dark energy, space itself expands, stretching light into longer, redder wavelengths, a phenomenon known as redshift. But here, in our cosmic neighborhood, another force still rules. Gravity. Meet the Andromeda Galaxy. Just 2.5 million light-years away, it is our closest major galactic neighbor. And it isn't retreating. It's racing toward us at about 110 kilometers per second. And Andromeda isn't alone. We're part of the local group, a family of roughly 100 galaxies bound together by gravity. Among them are the Triangulum Galaxy and the Magellanic Clouds, all gravitationally tethered in defiance of cosmic expansion. Imagine the universe as a stretching rubber sheet. If 2 points are far enough apart, the stretching pulls them away faster than they can resist. But if they're close enough, gravity binds them together, stronger than the expansion itself. That's why Andromeda is blue-shifted. Its light is compressed, its wavelengths squeeze shorter as it closes the distance. Here, gravity still holds dominion, but not forever. In about 4.5 billion years, the long approach will end. The Milky Way and Andromeda will collide, not in a catastrophic smash of stars. The distances between them are too vast for frequent impacts. Instead, it will be a slow, graceful convergence. Over hundreds of millions of years, the two spiral galaxies will intertwine, orbit, and merge. Astronomers sometimes call the result Milkomeda, a new, massive galaxy, home to perhaps 1 trillion stars. The night sky will transform. The familiar band of the Milky Way will vanish, replaced by a brilliant, luminous core stretching across the heavens. The universe will continue expanding. Distant galaxies will fade beyond reach. But for now, we are not alone. We have neighbors, and one of them is on its way.